Hey guys, my name is Roy. We're here at the Salem 2018 THC Fair. This is Jared. He's with Homegrown Organics, which is a collective of deaf and hard of hearing folks that are all growers and work together. Jared is going to help me, Jared's going to interpret for me while I give a demonstration and explain how the trim bag works. Thank you, Jared, appreciate it. So this is the trim bag. It's a handheld dry trimmer. You can do about 2 pounds at a time or about a third full. All it is a nylon bag, and this is to simulate the flowers, but it's the friction of the buds sliding on the bag that does the trimming. The green mesh at the bottom is to separate the trim at the end. The trimming process is very simple. All you need to do is buck the bud off the stem and put it in the bag. You can leave the fan leaves on, or you can take them off and it works quicker. After you dump the bud in the top of the bag, you turn it on the side and do a flicking rotation motion. The idea is to get the buds to slide as much as possible on the inside of the bag. Typically, it only takes 5 to 40 rotations, depending on the strain and the dryness.
Sorry, guys.
After you do your trimming rotations, you turn it vertically and sift your trim down to the bottom. All the shake is going to accumulate in this lower chamber here. You're going to get a pocket of trim down here. Unzip this and you can dump it out into a tote, or this is designed to be used as a funnel. You can also pour it out. Once you dump your shake out, get that away from the flowers, zip the bottom back up, and dump your buds out the top into a separate tray. The flowers will come out about 90% done. Half the buds, just throw them right in the bag. What's left is real obvious. You just go and clean up the rest of it, and then that goes in the bag too. The whole process, start to finish, is about 5 minutes. And it does about 90% of the work on about 2 pounds at a time. And when you're done, it has these cinch straps here so you can collapse it. And each one comes with a portable carrying case. Throw in your car, you're off and running. The trim bag was designed by growers in California for growers. You can find it in stores or online. Check out our social media for real customer reviews and videos. Thanks to Jared. Thank you guys for watching. Trim bag.